magandang may nasimulan na as early as possible. Yes.
Good morning, my name is John Martinez, founder of Team Martinez. And today, ongoing na yung last reservation natin. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. Good morning, meron na naman tayong pamilyang natulungan para magkaroon ng property dito. Ang nakuha nila ay isang end lot unit. So, magpapakilala po sila. Ma'am, pakilala po tayo.
Yes, so my name is Regeline Cerezo and OFW seafarer. So this is a dream come true for me and my kids na magkaroon na ng sariling property.
And quick question lang po, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po yung reason natin bakit po tayo nag-avail dito sa Deca Homes May Kawayan?
Okay, so main reason is this is a good investment. Property is a good investment, so that means nag-appreciate. So in years time, I know lalago din tong investment na to. It might be a residential, it might be a home for us, or it might be investment. So magandang may nasimulan na as early as possible. Yes.
Okay, so second question, ma'am. Kamusta po ang service ng Team Martinez?
Ayun, I'm happy and grateful to have Jenna and you, John, as well as Paolo, helping me with the process and making it as smooth as possible and as quick as possible.
Yes.
So, ayun, thank you so much.
Ang bilis talaga,
yes,
no?
ang bilis ang pangyayari.
Okay, so last question, ma'am. Ma'am, magkano po yung naging initial cash out natin sa end lot na nakuha natin?
Okay, so I did a reservation fee of 12,000 pesos and 78, mostly 79,000.
Okay.
So all in all, 90,000 including reservation fee and down payment, which will be less sa total contract price. So I'm really happy with that. Hindi ganun kabigat, hindi ganun kadugo yung expenses to release a unit.
Okay, so malapit na rin umalis si ma'am. So ma'am, once again, congratulations po.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Deca Homes May Kawayan. Congrats!
Thank you, pal.
Kaway tayo.
Thank you so much, Team Martinez, for helping us.
Yes, katatapos lang ng last reservation natin for today at ang client natin ay isang seafarer. Yung inabil niyang unit ay 78 square meter worth 2.9 million at ang initial cash out niya lang is 12,000 pesos. Ang maganda rito dahil open house natin, na-avail niya yung promo natin na worth 130,000 pesos na discount. At kung isa kang OFW, locally employed, business owner or investor na naghahanap ng property malapit dito sa Metro Manila, mag-message ka lang sa page ng Team Martinez at sure ako, matutulungan ka namin. And guys, it's another close deal.